Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to get on here today and show you guys three digital product ideas that you could get started with, like as a beginner, if you have nothing today. Three digital products that you'll be able to, put together and make money, get leads, things like that. A lot of people can't figure out what it is they're going to sell. So I'm going to try and clear a few things up and give you some ideas that will hopefully help you get your business started. The first one I'm going to actually talk about is templates, and these are digital products. You can create these to either give away for free in exchange for an email. You can create templates for just about everything, but one of the places you could come is somewhere like Canva, which they do have, free accounts that you can sign up for, or they do have a paid account, which I have a paid account, but they have like a lot of templates right here where you can actually you could create a bunch of templates for Instagram posts and then bundle those together and either give away that in exchange for an email, or you could actually sell that as a package for a small price. You could use something like PLR, which is private label rights. And what that is something like this, like IDPLR, they actually have resources and tools. We'll go to their latest products right here, and I will show you. So, like, all of these are products that you can actually download and customize to be your own. So you could give away Instagram marketing masterclass. I would actually give away like some sort of free ebook for Instagram and then try and sell this as the actual program. And you can actually preview these sales pages. You can let's go to preview. I'd have to log in to see. I actually have this product, but you could basically, these are already put together businesses that you can actually look at. This is the upsell for this page. This is a page that this provides. I would recommend putting something together and building a funnel out in something like System.io, which is what I use to actually, put these products together and things like that. And if you need extra help and things like that, I do offer free training every Wednesday. I actually, if you get this group over here, my Market Pacer Accelerator group, completely free. There'll be a link if you want to join that. Also, a link in the description will be all of my tools and resources, which are right here. And if you want a free funnel, right here, access. This is my free funnel that I give away. When you click this link, you can import that into your System.io account for it's a completely free account, so that it's not a free trial, it's an actual free account, which is nice because then you can get started for free, learn how to put your business together, build your business, and then as you grow your business, then you can upgrade your plan to whatever it is that you need. So all of my tools and resources, there'll be a link, you can access all of this, but the free training and the weekly stuff is right here. You can click here, it'll take you over to this page right here. Just request access, I'll let you in. And then of course, like, we're having an event, it'll be tomorrow at 1 p.m. So if you'd like to join that, come on over. But like I said, you can get free, or you can download. I think you actually pay to access this. I think it's like a one-time lifetime access to this. Let's just see. Access, I don't even know anymore because I've had this product for so long that basically I already have access to all of these. Um, but you could grab one of these, customize it, and be able to set up your funnel with System.io, which these are things I teach on the weekly trainings. You could use something like PLR.me. Now these have same types of things. You can actually take the mastering the art of Instagram marketing. You could take this right here and you could customize it to your brand and then give that away or sell that on, wherever it is that you're promoting it. Um, so these are a couple resources for you. IDPLR, PLR.me. Both of those are actually right here in my all the tools and stuff that I give away and show you guys about. And then from there, like, I set all of this up into something like System.io. Now, I'm going to actually show you guys my like how I actually get traffic to this stuff. So like I'll create obviously videos and then tell people click the link in the description, give away something. And then I will start getting leads, and then I can email those leads and show them things that maybe I have to sell, or an affiliate product, or just whatever it is, my message I want to get to people. I can get leads by doing YouTube videos. I'm going to show you guys this page over here on one of my funnels. Okay, I had to blur this out because I didn't want you guys to see the leads, but I wanted to show you like this past week, I upload YouTube videos and then I say, hey, grab my tools or grab whatever it is in the description below. And I wanted to show you, like, no, this isn't hundreds of leads, but the whole point was this is I simply said, go access my tools, and people opted in to get my tools and resources. And look, on September 29th, I got one lead. September 30th, I got one lead. October 1st, I got 2 leads. October 3rd, 1 lead. October 4th, 1 lead. When people see your content out there, and if you are publishing on YouTube or sharing on Facebook and things like that, you want to be able to have a funnel that will make them give you their email for whatever it is you're giving away. These are free leads. It did not cost me anything, but now I have 6 new people that I can go email and say, hey, did you grab this ebook, or did you grab these prompts that I gave away the other day? Whatever it is your message is, you now have new leads, fresh eyeballs to see that content. And that kind of goes into the second thing that you can sell for digital products, and that is Chat GPT prompts or any type of AI prompting. And the other day I showed people this site right here. This is where I use these prompts every single day. This is one of the best AI prompting sites that I have found, and this is the sales page for it, of course. And I have a video. The video I did last week is on this, but this is what you get. So this is the inside of AI Avalanche, and these are the prompts that you get that are included in this. So if you need help with creating social media TikTok reels, or analyze a TikTok account, these are going to be done for you prompts that you can actually use to get ideas, to help you, to guide you with the content you're trying to create. YouTube videos to blog posts. So you could literally take a YouTube video. This is going to show you how to grab a YouTube video and turn them into blog posts, which is, that's kind of cool. And so here's an idea for you. You can build a funnel in System.io. You can create a landing page. Go pull 5 prompts that were your favorite, put them into a Word doc, and simply say, hey, grab my 5 favorite AI prompts by clicking the link below. You can get people to opt into that, get your 5 favorite prompts, and now you have 6, in my case, I had 6 new leads. So you can follow up with them like, great, thank you so much for downloading my free AI prompts. Would you like to get access to hundreds of prompts? And then become an affiliate of this AI Avalanche. They have an affiliate program. You can create a link. You could say like, hey, would you like to know where I get all my prompts? Click this link below and send them to this sales page through your affiliate link. They could read about this. If they like this product and they hit buy now, you will get a commission for that. I think this company pays 30%. I use these prompts every day. Why wouldn't I tell people to use these prompts? And they have a ton of stuff that you can use. But what you do is you could start creating videos around AI prompting, things that worked for you, things that don't. And then in the video, tell them, go download my 5 top AI prompts that I love to use every day. People download that. You get emails, you're collecting leads, and now you have follow-ups going to them where you could get this affiliate product right here, become an affiliate, and start promoting this product. When people click the link and buy, you get paid. That is how affiliate marketing works. That is how you're starting to build an email list. And then the other thing, the other digital product you could also give away, the third thing would be like scripts. And This has a ton of script writing. So like you can actually come down here to YouTube and they have writing YouTube ad scripts, YouTube making YouTube videos. They probably give right here writing TikTok ad scripts. You could do a whole series on writing ads, doing content and videos. And the reason I'm saying like doing content, like I think the best way to get traffic to things is YouTube. And I'm just kind of proving this by continuing to make videos. And I don't even have a huge channel. So if you're watching this video and you see, well, you only have a couple hundred views on there, but I still got 6 free leads the other day just by uploading a video. And that's what I'm saying. You just have to get over it and go through the process of doing this to market your product. You have to figure out, what am I going to give away? What am I going to sell? Focus, hone in on that, and then simply find products that complement what you're doing. This product right here complements what I do because I use it, I like it, I've gotten a lot of value out of it, and now I've become an affiliate of it. And I can share that link for people, and they now have access to a product that they can also promote if they want to. If you're going into this industry of prompting or AI or, I mean, anything, you can focus in on just one area of this, but this gives you so many things that you could possibly do. And then come up with scripts. People, you could put that simply in a Google Doc. You can be like, my best TikTok scripts for getting leads. I don't do TikTok, but if that was your thing, that's what you could do. And you could give something away for free. You could get their email and then say, hey, do you want more AI prompts like this? Go check out this AI Avalanche and become an affiliate of this. That's how you just start basically getting the ball rolling. And like I said, System.io is what I use for my funnels, bringing in leads. You can use that for your email autoresponder. You can actually build a website and a blog from it. Now, I personally still use WordPress and my own hosting for blogging. But if you want to start completely free, I would get a free System.io account below. Download the free funnel that I give you. Get access to this page right here. Start going through some of these tools that I use, and then join us on Wednesdays because I go over all this in details and help people specifically with things on Wednesday afternoons. It's at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if that is something you're interested in, come over here, join this group. I'll let you in. Get access to tomorrow's training, which is right here tomorrow at 1 o'clock. I'll do this workshop. We'll go over a lot of things. I take questions. I try and help people with specifics because sometimes, I mean, you're doing the work and then you just have a couple questions and people just want someone to ask. So I do it completely free. I'd ask you to come over there and get any help that you do need. And like I said, I mean, the biggest thing is you want to start simple. It just get started. It's starting with something as simple as a System.io account, creating some sort of funnel so that you can collect email leads, and then delivering on whatever it is that you're giving away, whether it's templates, ebooks. You can get templates over here at these two sites. You can create free templates in something like Canva. And then you could also give away ChatGPT prompts and scripts. Those are great things right now that are trending that people will actually pay money for. And you could build your list faster by giving something away for free. And then in your email, selling them affiliate link to something else, something actually you can even become, this is a ClickBank product. You could go find this on ClickBank and sell this inside of your email, which I have done that as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do. And if you need a little bit extra help, just come over to the Market Pacer Accelerator group. And there's a lot of people in here that, answer questions. I mean, I post tips throughout the thing. People ask for help, all that good stuff. So if you need help, we welcome you to come over here. All right. You guys have a great day, and we will see you guys on the next video.